What's up guys, it's Michael here. In this video, just kidding. In this video, I actually wasn't joking. I bought a Tesla Model 3 all-wheel drive non-performance, long range. So the reason why I pulled this trigger, because now, if you look at the future, other people are converting to electric cars, including politicians. And when the vehicle arrives in around September, I'll do a review on it. And the best part is, I got a really great vehicle to compare the Tesla Model 3 all-wheel drive long range and compare it to a really great competitor versus its price point. But keep this in mind, this bracket and price point is basically not for a lot of people. It's actually a BMW M340i performance with the performance pack. And just to let you know, I will own both of these cars. My family's been driving BMWs for about 2 decades now. And now we have the experience and upkeep sharing you what's the difference between the new vehicle of the future and the sports car of the previous generation, which, wowed a lot of people, including myself. I have to admit, BMWs are really great to drive. But before I release that video, please click the like button down below, because if this video gets 10 likes, I'll post a comparison video, compare the two. And since we're a finance channel, we're gonna majority look at the finances, not necessarily the performance and the comfort, but we mainly look at how much it costs and time. So we look at basically time versus money. So you look at 2 price brackets. So just to give you a summary before I release that video, because that video's got to come in probably another month or 2, because the vehicle has to come in first, is whether or not it's worth it compared to a gasoline car in that same price bracket. So the BMW leased it 3 years. I believe down payment was about $1,000, and our lease was about $580 a month, I believe. I could be wrong. I have to double check on that. But that include the BMW M340i include the sport pack, sport dampers, sport steering wheel, everything, the luxury pack, navigation, and include the power pack too. And differentials, everything is included there. And a Tesla is pretty simple. When I ordered it, I just chose blue, white seats, and I chose for the aero wheels, 18-inch wheels, because I really don't understand people, because bigger wheels does not mean better performance. It actually means worse performance, worse mileage, worse economy, and then most importantly, you lose more money, meaning you lose more range. But just to come off, comparing the two, Tesla was about 56 grand. Some people say, well, no, I pay 49,000. Hey, doofus, do you heard of sales tax? You heard of luxury tax? You heard of California? Because California's sales tax ain't cheap, especially in America. So we included that, you're about 56 grand. And the BMW about 59 grand. So basically neck and neck, the 50K bracket range. It ain't cheap. When I compare these 2 vehicles, I include every single expense because this is a finance channel. But right off the bat, you can tell between the 2 vehicles, without even looking at it, is I don't have oil change, I don't have gas. And that'll save me a lot of money right there, because gasoline on the BMW M340i, it's about $30. I pay on average $30 to $40 on premium gas. And a charge on the Tesla, it's about $13 or about 300 miles. But you turn a charge, you're looking around like $6 at most. That's assuming I drive like every day, which currently with the pandemic, no. But if you look at financial and performance specs, they really vary greatly. Like a lot of people show how much it changed in cost. Well, I'm going to tell you how much you can actually save, which is the most important thing. But just to break it down, if you guys are watching this video and you think, well, this is way too expensive, you're 100% correct. Even the cheapest Model 3 is very expensive. You're starting at like 39 grand. Before they had like 34, 35, but all those people who are like basically fanboys of whatever brands, they never include sales tax, every type of tax, luxury tax, registration, insurance, whether a car is considered a performance sedan or not. It really adds up at the end. So if this video gets 10 likes, I'll make sure to post a review versus the Tesla and the BMW, especially in the financial sector, whether or not you guys should pull this trigger and give you an idea where you should pull the trigger on getting which type of vehicle is your future vehicle. Because right now the used car market is really hot thanks to the transition to electric vehicles. So I'll see you guys next time on my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and peace.